Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Jeremy Azrael Campbell. This is my channel, Azrael the Scribe. And I talk about different topics, such as the occult, spirituality, history, things I'm passionate about. And sometimes I'll go places where I want to take you with me. And today is one of those days. I went back to the Wildwood Trail. If you recall my video from last year, the Wildwood Trail is also called the Witch's Castle Trail. It's where you will pass by the landmark, which was at one time a rest stop that had caught fire and broke down, and now it's just the ruins of its form, but it's still to this day there, and it looks similar to a castle in a way. Like a very small castle. But today's video, more so, I filmed on nature. I took a lot of time focusing on water and earth and wood, as you will be able to see in this video. So, without further ado, enjoy.